In a place called Boys Town, do gay men ever grow up?
Adler! What, just win a beauty pageant?
Or do you just grow old?
Guys are more interested in inches than years.
A big cock is the great equalizer.
I think I finally found him. Capital H-I-M. I want you to fuck me.
No, I was hoping that you would fuck me.
Ah! Bobby Burton's a bottom.
Excuse me.
What's going on with you? There's something going on with you and Neal.
He's never around, Nathan. I barely remember what he looks like.
You're gonna end up with a San Francisco married.
But I don't want an open relationship, Nathan.
Tell me, Nathan. Come on, just jam it down my throat. I'm just a giant fucking dildo with a pulse, aren't I?
I'm 50. Shit. I've never even considered sex with anyone 50 years old. So maybe I'll never have sex again. Hey, are you my 2 o'clock?
Always sneaking up on Ryland. Ready for more? What you waiting for? Hey. It's hot in here.
It certainly is.
Have you heard from Nathan?
Well, he texted me. He said he's at the DMV. Eye test.
He left me a voicemail saying he'd be in the valley all day in meetings. Sounded strange.
You didn't have to get dressed for me.
What?
Never mind.
Just gonna put on some tunes.
Nathan's mad at me. I left a pretty angry message for him last night.
What's up?
Not a word to Brad, okay? Nathan said I should tell Neal that if he and I didn't spend some time together and work on things, then we'd end up sleeping with other people. And I told him.
Wait, I didn't know things were that bad.
Just wait. It gets worse. So unless you want me to start sleeping around...
Ross, I'm really sorry. I know I've been busy, but you know I love my job.
So what should we do?
Well, what do you want me to do? Quit my job? And I can't do that with next week's premiere and award season starting. I love you. You love me. That's solid. So if you feel that strongly about it, then you should be able to hook up every once in a while. But we're going to establish some ground rules. No sex with friends, no sex at home, no last names, no fluid, no kidding.
He didn't even blink.
Man.
Gotta be somewhere?
No. I'm free all day.
Good.
Oh. Thank you. What?
Cool.
Listen, I don't want you to think that I mean, I've always kind of made it sort of a rule that, you know, never have sex with clients.
Not gonna have sex till you sign me.
Oh, really? Well then, wait a minute. We're not?
Gonna because we wanna.
Wait. How old are you?
25.
I would never have an open relationship.
Yeah? Well, that's what I always said. There's Brad. Shut up.
Great. Nathan couldn't make it today, so I guess it's just up to me now, is it?
Is what up to you?
Changing muscles from a pussy boy to a top stud.
Brad?
What? You said last night you would do anything to hang on to Bobby Bottom. So we decided to give you some instruction. Here's everything you'll need. Now, first, Viagra. Now, don't cut it. You'll need the full dosage. Next, some instructional films. Now, take them home, study them. Now, pay particular attention to the Tops technique. You gotta fuck the way you'd want to get fucked. Oh, now, this one here is great. It's my favorite. Oh, Middle Eastern guys really know how to fuck. Gee fucking hat.
They look Jewish to me.
Okay.
Oh, hey, now, Muscles, I do want those DVDs back.
Wow. Listen, do you mind if I,
How makes you think we're done?
wait a minute, no, wait, you wanna, no, I mean, I don't, I mean, I haven't in a really, really long, I mean, since before you were, oh God, why did I shut up?
Yeah. Shut up.
Now, some words on rimming.
Oh? Okay, I'm
Right,
out
now,
of here.
don't think poop shoot. Imagine it as a mangina, for example.
Oh, that's okay, thanks. I'll watch the DVD.
I'm just trying to help. The Pope offers communion. You should take it.
Hello, boys. Why, if it isn't the good, the bad, and the ugly. No, Nathan? I thought bitches always travel in packs. So, where is she?
Passport office.
Oh, God. Nathan's such a horrible liar. Tell her to call me, because I have news that she is going to love.
Oh, shit. I'm late for my doctor's appointment.
Doctor's appointment. What's wrong?
Nothing serious, Nancy Jew. Just test results.
Oh,
Test
my
results.
God.
Oh, fucking Christ. Why is it whenever a gay man goes to the doctor, everyone's all, oh, no, AIDS, oh no, like it's the only fucking thing that ever happens to us.
Oh, sorry, Brad, but you do sleep around a lot.
Oh, faggot, please. I wear condoms. I don't swallow.
Okay, I gotta get going too.
Good luck on the Hershey Highway tonight.
There's a big brown eye winking at you, Muscles.
Ross, they don't call it that anymore. It's a chocolate starfish.
Okay.